Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to send a picture to a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, sharing images has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. You'll see your recent chats and contacts appear on the left-hand side of the screen. If you aren't logged in yet, make sure to scan the QR code with your phone to connect your account. Once you're in, it's time to find the conversation you want to send a picture to. Click on that chat to open it. The chat window will appear on the right, ready for you to type or send media. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the chat window. You'll see a small plus icon sitting next to the message bar. Click on the plus icon and a menu will appear giving you a few options. From that menu, choose Photos and Videos. This is where you'll pick the picture you want to send. A file browser window will pop up showing the folders on your computer. Browse through your images and select the photo you'd like to share. Once you found it, click Open. You'll see a preview of the image right inside WhatsApp before you send it. If you want, you can type a short message or caption to go along with the picture. When everything looks good, click the Send button. It's the green icon shaped like a paper airplane. The photo will be delivered instantly to your contact or group chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a picture in the new WhatsApp app for PC. This updated version makes it simple and fast to share moments directly from your desktop. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick tutorials that make everyday tech tasks easier than ever.